Good morning to all of you. My name is Harman Singh. I am from 11th standard. I am going to speak on the topic of parliamentary system. Parliamentary system has two names: cabinet or responsible government. This government has two executives, a nominal executive and a real executive. Nominal executive is also known as the president in India. He has all the powers, but he cannot use his powers. His powers are used by one person, which is known as the Prime Minister, or who is also called the real executive. To define this, Garner has given the example that in parliamentary system there are two types of executives: the real executive, which hold all the powers and which is responsible to the legislature for his making of laws and actions. And there is another executive, which is nominal executive, which hold the power of irresponsibility.
Good morning to all. My name is Manpreet Kaur. I am going to give a speech on presidential government. On the basis of relationship between the executive and the legislature, the government is divided into two types: the parliament government and the presidential government. Now I am going to give you some information about the presidential government. The presidential government is also called non-responsible or fixed executive. This system is present in America, Brazil, Turkey, etc. It has strong independence and chief executive. The chief executive have extensive powers related to domestic, international affairs and foreign policies. In this system, there is only real executive, that is president. And according to my views, I think that president's system has a great system, and we can say this government as the best government. Thank you.
Both we are debating on merits and demerits of parliamentary and presidential system. Parliament government is an effective form of government. There is a close relation between who makes law and who enforces laws. It means legislature and executive. They have a good relation with each other, and possibility of conflicts is rare in this system.
Now I am going to criticize this point. Parliamentary government by amateurs. This is not good and effective government because the ministers do not know about their departments. They are not so much educated and expert for doing their department works.
Maybe this government by amateur, but ministers are elected by the people. They know the pulse of people. They know that what is good and what is bad for the people. In this system, decisions are quickly taken.
In emergency, it is a necessary for the government to take quick decision. But in the parliamentary system, because the cabinet consists of large number of ministers, which needs many persons to be consulted, so they wasted a lot of time in discussion. The executive and the legislature have fixed tenure. Nobody can refuse their positions by adverse vote of the legislature. President chooses his own ministers who are fully responsible to him alone.
Now I am going to criticize these points. According to my views, the presidential form of government is an elastic. It goes.
We will discuss about the merits and demerits of presidential government. The chief merit of this system is stability. The executive and the legislature have fixed tenure. Nobody can refuse their positions by an adverse vote of the legislature. President chooses his own minister who are fully responsible to him alone.
Now I am going to criticize these points. According to my views, the presidential form of government is an elastic. The government goes by the calendar. Every happens according to the constitution.
In this form of a government, the ministers are not the members of the legislature. The president is free to appoint any of person as his minister. The president chooses only that type of person who have full talent and capacity to run the administration quite efficiently.
In presidential system, the relation between the executive and legislature is based on the separation of powers. It will be difficult to enforce the responsibility in this system.
We will differentiate parliamentary and presidential form of government. In the presidential form of government, there is only real executive, and that is president. He is the head of government and state.
In the parliament system, there are two types of executive: nominal executive, which is known as the president in India, and a real executive, which is the prime minister in India. Both hold equal powers, but the prime minister can use his powers freely.
Cabinet in presidential system acts like as an advisory body. It is created by president. Members of cabinet is not responsible to legislature; they are responsible to president. It is not important body of presidential system.
In the parliament system, the cabinet is majorly made by the majority party. The ministers of cabinet are elected by the majority party, and the cabinet is a very powerful body in the parliament system.
Now I will tell you which government is better between the parliamentary and presidential. Both the government, parliamentary and presidential system have their merits and demerits. None of them is absolutely a perfect system. US is a commendable example of presidential system, while UK is an example of parliamentary system. Since a long time, the political system in both the countries are functioning quite well. But
It's
if
a
an
very powerful body in the parliament system.
Now I will tell you which government is better between the parliamentary and presidential. Both the government, parliamentary and presidential system have their merits and demerits. None of them is absolutely a perfect system. US is a commendable example of presidential system, while UK is an example of parliamentary system. Since a long time, the political system in both the countries are functioning quite well. But if an academic is asked to make a choice out of two systems, he will prefer the parliamentary system to presidential. No one can deny some of the outstanding merits of presidential system, but the some factors make of the presidential system make it inferior to the parliamentary form of government. According to my views, parliamentary form of government is better than the presidential form of government. Country like India can adapt only parliamentary form of government because it is suitable for our country. Thank you.